Hi everyone, in this video I am going to unbox Boya by M1 mic. This mic is best for YouTube beginners. Let me unbox it. Voiceover for this video was recorded using this mic. It is definitely way better than the headphones that we get with mobile phones. This I bought it for around 800 from Flipkart. As you can see in the box, you will get one pouch, leather pouch, and some manuals. This is that Boya branding card that you will get along with this box. Let me open what's there inside this pouch. As you can see, you will get that mic. Let me open this cover and see what's there inside. This is that foam windscreen, and also you will get that lapel clip and one adapter. And also there will be a battery inside that cover. Length of this cable is actually 6 meters. Which is enough for connecting it to DSLRs and other devices. You need to insert that battery in that adapter. Let me open and show it how you need to insert it. Before that, let me insert this foam. So this is that battery that you will get along with this. You need to open this screw. On the other side, you need to insert that battery. Let me insert that battery. So there you have the slot for inserting the battery. So this is that battery. Let me insert it. So after inserting, this is how it looks like. Let me close that. There is a button to switch between camera and mobile phone. This is the adapter. This is how you need to connect if you have a bigger jack. This is the lapel clip. You can use it like that as shown in the picture. Thanks a lot for watching.